As we all know, a devastating earthquake this week has left behind widespread destruction in Turkey and Syria. With over 15,000 lives already lost, thousands injured, and millions displaced and homeless, this tragic event has brought immense suffering to the people and communities of these countries. During times of global crisis and tragedy, it is the duty of all global citizens, no matter where we are, to support those in need. Today, the Vita Foundation is donating 200,000 Rand to the Gift of the Givers, an extraordinary South African non-profit organization who have already begun relief efforts and on-the-ground medical and rescue support for those affected by the disaster. Our support and hearts go out to all those impacted by the earthquake, and as an organization, the Vita Foundation will do everything we can to help the Gift of the Givers with its mission. But they still need your help. All donations, large or small, can make a difference in assisting the Gift of the Givers to do their important work at this very important time. Please visit the Gift of the Givers website or their Back a Buddy donation page for more information about how you can donate to the rescue and relief efforts. You will find the links of these websites in the caption of this video. Your generosity can bring hope and help rebuild those proud nations and their people. On behalf of the Vita Foundation, I would like to personally thank the Gift of the Givers for their important work and applaud their humanity as an example for us all. Remember, every act of kindness and support has a profound effect for those suffering in their time of need. I hope our contribution today will inspire you all to come together and show the world the power of compassion and humanity.